Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I'm going to create paperclip embellishments, and they're really easy and fun to create. But before I forget, if you're not a follower yet, please subscribe and give it a like. Thank you already. And you can create them the way you want: big paper, small paper, the paperclip coming out below or not. It's really easy and fun. And this one I created from an old envelope part. You can use all your leftovers, but also, of course, your new paper, whatever you want. You need some paper and a paper clip. The bigger, the better. No, well, not better, but it's easier, of course. And the size of the paper, that doesn't matter very much, but it's just more what you have and what you like. And I created, I think, 6 or 7 in an hour, so they're it's a nice less than 10-minute job to do. And sometimes you just want to be a bit creative, and then it's always fun to have something which is not too difficult and beautiful to watch. Well, then this is already finished, and then you can make the embellishment on it, whatever you have and like. And I want a little button on it as well. And this one still lives, I think, because he wants to go everywhere except on my paper, but the glue is strong enough. And if you're finished, then you can turn it around and be assured that you're halfway, and make a little hole with the size of your paper clip. That depends, of course, if you have a big one or a small one, but just a little small part will be the trick. If it works. Yes, it works. If I say it works, it works. And keep the small side outside, and then glue everything together, and then it's already done. Then your embellishment is ready, like this. And if you like this idea, please give it a like, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.